On the other side, viewers, we shift our focus to another allegedly copy-pasted post. But this one has started a war between the BJP and the opposition. Caught in the crossfire is the Election Commission of India. Here is what happened. After 91 lakh voters were deleted in Bengal, the TMC delegation today met Election Commission. But the meeting reportedly lasted only 7 minutes, and what transpired in these 7 minutes is now drawing all the attention in politics. Sources in the Election Commission claim that Derek O'Brien shouted at the Election Commission members and the Chief Election Commissioner and even told the CEC not to speak. He was then asked to maintain decorum by none other than the CEC himself. But the TMC claims the CEC had told them to get lost. Following this meeting, the poll panel put out a post on X saying that the EC told the TMC that they will ensure fear-free, violence-free and raid-free elections, and that this was the straight talk that the Election Commission had with the TMC. It is the tone and tenor of this post that is now being questioned by the opposition. From TMC to Samajwadi Party to Aam Aadmi Party, the opposition is asking, is the EC reading BJP script? Shiv Sena MP Uddhav Thackeray group Sanjay Raut even issued a Juta Maro threat. So has the Election Commission or the opposition crossed the line? Listen in.
I want to tell you what the election commissioner, Chief Election Commissioner told us within 7 minutes of the meeting. Get lost. This is what the Chief Election Commissioner told the Trinamool Congress delegation.
इलेक्शन कमीशन की एक आंख फूट गई और वो आंख ज्ञानेश कुमार जी की है या और भी जो उनके तमाम सारे कमिश्नर हैं उनकी है। ये बात रिसर्च का विषय है क्योंकि चुनाव 5 राज्यों में हो रहा है और सिर्फ पश्चिम बंगाल के लिए इस तरह की बात है।
इलेक्शन कमीशन की भाषा यही बता रही है कि उसने वोट तो डालने नहीं देना है, तो 2 टूक वोट रहित चुनाव करने की तैयारी है जो लोकतंत्र को खत्म करेगी। इलेक्शन कमीशन कोई पार्टी नहीं है। इलेक्शन कमीशन का निष्पक्ष होना एक संवैधानिक संस्था, उसको बर्बाद कर रहे हैं।
बंगाल का चुनाव का जो पुराना इतिहास है वो इस बात को बताता है कि हमेशा बंगाल में भय की स्थितियां निर्मित करके चुनाव के वैतरणी पार करने के मार्ग बनाने की दिशा में कदम आगे बढ़ाए जाते हैं। लेकिन इस बार बंगाल में जिस तरह से वहां पर स्थापित सत्ता के खिलाफ वातावरण निर्मित हुआ है, वहां की सरकार के प्रति जनता का मोह भंग हो गया है।
You're watching the News Hour at 9, debate number 2 on Times Now, Super Prime Time.
Joining the debate with Karan Verma, Sanjay Jha, Vivek Srivastava is Pradeep Bhandari, National Spokesperson of the BJP, Riju Datta, National Spokesperson of the Trinamool Congress, and it is to Riju Datta that I pose my first question. 7 minutes, get lost. Other views say that Election Commission was treated badly. They were shouted at. Voices were raised by the delegation that went and met them. What is the truth, Riju Datta?
The truth can only come out, Navika ji, if the CEC decides to put out the CCTV footage. They should put it out to the media. Before, media used to enter the Election Commission. Now even media is prohibited. तो उनको बोलिए मीडिया को दे दे, हमको देने का जरूरत नहीं, मीडिया को दे दे। बट द बेस्ट थिंग इज, इतने दिन ऑपोजिशन चिल्ला रहा था, दिस इज बीजेपी कमीशन, दिस इज वैनिश कुमार, ही इज अमित शाह स्टूज, बट टुडे द मास्क इज ऑफ एंड द बेस्ट थिंग, द मास्क इज has come off not by any opposition party. The EC has done it themselves. This tweet proves that it is BJP commission and the only thing that is remaining is installing BJP flags in the election commission. That's all. And I'm saying this on record without mincing my words, that Gyanesh Kumar is a liar. Whatever he has said to the media is an absolute lie. He's a chore. He has done vote chori in Bengal, and he's a criminal for not only disenfranchising. We cannot, limit it to disenfranchisement. This is voter suppression. This is electoral genocide. 27 lakh people who can be legitimate voters cannot cast their vote, which is their basic constitutional right. This has
strong
never happened in this country.
Riju Datta, strong language. ये तो इलेक्शन कमीशन नहीं है, नेशनल टेलीविजन है. I would request you.
जो सच है वही बता रहे हैं ना मैडम. जो सच and one more thing which Times Now is not raising. 1,500 companies of central forces are coming to Bengal. Very good. In 1 hour ago, additional 150 companies have been asked for. अरे इसका 1/10 भी अगर पहलगांव में होता तो 26 इंडियन मारे नहीं जाते in the hands of terrorists. This Amit Shah, who's the biggest failure as a home minister, is putting 2,550 companies of central forces for Bengal
I
election.
thought you would know the process, that the election commission asks for as many forces as they want to, and the home ministry has to provide, because election time, that's the way it works. But Pradeep Bhandari, tempers are high, emotions are running very high, and election commission's tweet that singles out one political party has been objected to. Where do you stand on this?
Well, Navika ji, the Trinamool Congress today is rattled because for the first time in Bengal, you will see a free and fair election and you will see no chappa voting taking place. And this is why I say in Bengali to TMC, Trinamool Congress spokesperson, TMC mitha kota bole, TMC chappa voting kore. That is the reality of the Trinamool Congress. And it's just not limited to election commission. Let's look at their language to various other constitutional bodies. Abhishek Banerjee endorses a tweet saying that the Supreme Court is involved in rigging. Kalyan Banerjee mocks the earlier vice president outside the parliament. The Trinamool Congress in 2021 says that the Supreme Court of India is no longer sacred. The Trinamool Congress in 2024 says that the governor is a bloodsucker. So the Trinamool Congress is a party which has repeatedly abused every constitutional functionary, whether it is the governor, whether it is the Supreme Court, or whether it is the election commission. They were speaking about the deleted voters. On 4th of April, on 7th of April 2026, their plea was put up in the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court, and I quote, the Supreme Court said that the appeals may take time but can't order interim inclusion of deleted voters just because they are earlier mapped. Those who cannot even protect judicial officers, and as per the Supreme Court, there is no, as per the Calcutta High Court in 2021, there was no rule of law but the law of the ruler, and that is what has been put forward from Mamata Banerjee's rule. And right now the Supreme
Riju Datta, this process has been going on. You have a problem. There are courts that exist in this country. Why is the Trinamool Congress making it so personal with the election commission?
Navika ji, firstly, before answering your question, BJP spokesperson said for the first time there will be a free and fair election in Bengal. Does he mean to say that all election commissioners before Gyanesh Kumar are incompetent, useless and faltu? Does he mean to say that all the central forces that did Bengal elections from 2011 till all central forces were compromised, incompetent and faltu? What does he mean by that statement? Ki abhi pehli baar free and fair election hoga?
Why don't you ask your alliance partner Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary? He will tell you. He has made some statements.
नाविका जी, मैं आपसे ये आशा नहीं करता. अधीर रंजन चौधरी हमारे अलायंस पार्टनर
मैं जवाब देता हूं.
वो नेशनली है, नेशनली है. नहीं, नेशनली है. बंगाल में नहीं है. मंडे को है, ट्यूसडे को नहीं है. दिल्ली में है, बंगाल में नहीं है. कंफ्यूजन जो स्मोक स्क्रीन आपका है वो भी चल रहा है. Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary has said that in panchayat elections, it was the Trinamool Congress that used to not even allow people to file their nomination papers. Now you are saying that this has never happened before.
नाविका जी, मैं आपका कंफ्यूजन समझता हूं, क्योंकि मंडे को हेमंत बिस्वा शर्मा वाटर गेट स्कैंडल और चोर था, ट्यूसडे को बीजेपी का मुख्यमंत्री बन गया. सो आई अंडरस्टैंड इन नेशनल पॉलिटिक्स यू आल्सो.
Pradeep Bhandari counter.
I can see that the man is really rattled and he's lost his sense of mental semblance. But let me show another video.
Free and fair election for the first time? Please tell me.
I'll answer it. Do not interrupt me. Have some amount of courtesy if you and allow me to make my point. Recall, Navika ji, this is a video where you see a Trinamool Congress supporter looting a booth. They were taking the polling booth package and they were taking the entire voting and taking it away from the polling station. This is exactly what happens in Bengal. In Islampur in April 2019, there was a Trinamool Congress member who entered a polling booth and tried to commit booth capturing and stop the polling. The Trinamool Congress has a history of capturing certain booths, and this is why the Calcutta High Court, the Calcutta High Court said, okay, so are you saying that
are
when a murder
compromised
takes
and
place in
incompetent.
Bengal,
Is that what you are
when a
telling your
murder takes
jawans?
place in Bengal, so
Is
Mamata
that what
Banerjee
you
is
are calling our
incompetent?
jawans
Are you
by
saying
showing
that?
these
Are you
videos?
saying that when a
The
murder takes place in
Baba,
Bengal,
on duty.
Mamata Banerjee is
Dada,
incompetent?
there are no companies of CRPF in my studio or on Times Now national channel. Please,
his logic, he's
please,
saying Mamata
can you
Banerjee is
settle your
incompetent.
scores in the election and not make me nervous? I'm getting extremely nervous with this, very, very solid fighting that is going on here. But Sanjay Jha, that the election commission is biased is a statement that has been said ad nauseum by the opposition. I just want to ask you, the truth may be somewhere in the middle. Somebody overstepped, started screaming, was said, maintain decorum. Now, should we all start calling each other names? Is that the way we will fight elections in this country and the dance of democracy will be celebrated?
I think my friend Riju has hit the nail on the head. He said be fully transparent, put out the CCTV footage, and दूध का दूध और पानी का पानी अलग हो जाएगा. I know Derek personally, so let me tell you this. Derek is not going to speak out of his hat. If he's going to be threatened or talked to in a disparaging way, Derek O'Brien and everybody in the TMC has a right to tell the CEC he's meant to be an independent institution and not behave like a Katputli or a puppet of the BJP. He has a role to play. An election commission's job is to preserve and keep India's democracy safe.
You are the guys who had Naveen Chawla used to work for Sonia Gandhi's NGO as a chief election
अरे भंडारी जी जरा बोलने दीजिए 2 मिनट. 2 मिनट बोलने दीजिए, आप घबरा रहे हैं.
चावला थे जो सोनिया गांधी के एनजीओ के अंदर काम करते थे. ये आपकी सच्चाई भूल गए. एमएलके जिसको आपने स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्टर बना दिया था, सीएम स्टेशन को कांग्रेस के टिकट पे चुनाव लड़ाया था. आप ना बोले, आप दूध के दूल्हे नहीं हैं.
घबराए हुए नजर आ रहे हैं.
हमने
टेंशन बढ़ गया आपने.
वो टेंशन में है क्योंकि दे आर इन द फाइट इन बंगाल. आप टेंशन में नहीं है क्योंकि यू आर नॉट इन द फाइट इन बंगाल. द कांग्रेस पार्टी इज नॉट इवन इन द फाइट. बट करण वर्मा, where is this mistrust going to lead us?
No, we have such innocent panelists. नाविका जी, एक रिजू दा है हमारे और एक संजय झा जी हैं. रिजू दा ने बोला ये क्या कभी फ्री एंड फेयर इलेक्शंस नहीं होते थे? Did they never occur? 15th March 2010, a fiery Mamata Banerjee, at that time in opposition, says we never have free and fair elections in Bengal. Violence is institutionalized. And look today, Mamata Banerjee makes the left look so innocent today. What has happened post 2010, the kind of violence, the kind of deaths, post-poll violence, their leader Rafiqul Islam convicted in post-poll violence. Sanjay Jha is saying I have never known Derek to speak in an uncouth manner. Well, we have video footage available of how Derek O'Brien has conducted himself on the floor of the House so many times when he has been shown the door. So, being couth and Derek O'Brien probably never go hand in hand, Sanjay, and you should know that. I mean, this level of intellectual dishonesty, I don't expect.
I'll only add to this that today we don't know what transpired inside. So, giving out a judgment on that. Well, I want to ask Vivek Srivastava. Vivek Srivastava, I just want to ask you, where is all this headed? Everything that the election commission says, if it calls in the forces, it is wrong. If it is doing an SIR, it is wrong. If it says that, decorum should be maintained, it is wrong. What does the opposition expect from the election commission? Dada Ashji.
We expect from the ruling party and this government and the BJP not to become the spokespersons of the Election Commission of India. If the opposition and other parties are trying to raise issues, please don't try to come and start defending and batting like you are the pravakta, not of the BJP but the Election Commission. When we go to the parliament with a motion, the motion should be allowed. The Speaker of the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha have no right not to let us present the motion against the Chief Election Commissioner. आप डरते हैं साहब. स्पीकर ने अगर हम इंपीच करना चाहते हैं, हम एक्शन लेना चाहते हैं ज्ञानेश कुमार के खिलाफ, हम पार्लियामेंट जाते हैं, हम मोशन देते हैं, स्पीकर कहता है नहीं, आई वोंट एक्सेप्ट. व्हाई? बिकॉज द बीजेपी इज हैंड्स इन ग्लव विद द इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया. इट इज सो ऑब्वियस. व्हाई डोंट यू लेट द मोशन कम?
Two questions to Pradeep Bhandari. Impeachment thrown out after the parliament session ended. Number two, the tweet singling out one political party. Those seem to be the two main objections today from the opposition. Please respond pointedly.
And 91.
And Navika ji, because they are the accused. Let me just tell you, on 21st of July 1993, Mamata Banerjee said that there is scientific rigging which takes place in Bengal election. I am astonished and shocked. TMC spokesperson is contradicting Mamata Banerjee, and the TMC spokesperson today is speaking against Mamata Banerjee.
आज की बात करो ना भाई, कहाँ जा रहे हो?
What is happening? अरे आज भी मैं बात कर रहा हूँ. आज भी पंचायत पोल के अंदर आके बूथ का पैकेट लेके लूट के चले.
अरे भैया पार्लियामेंट में क्यों नहीं अलाउ किया?
But it is, Riju Datta, it is a fact. It is a fact that 7 judicial officers and Times Now put out that video. Even after the rescue of the judicial officers, there were motorcycles chasing that cavalcade. I'm just saying it is a scary situation, which is why the forces are being called in, which is why the Election Commission is saying let there be a free and fair. Why is all of this not seen in any other election headed state? Not in Assam, not in Tamil Nadu, not in Kerala, not in Puducherry. Why is it happening only in Bengal?
Okay, can I speak, Navika ji?
91
मैं
lakh.
बोल सकता हूँ नाविका जी?
बोलिए ना सर, वो संजय
you.
झा आपको इंटरप्ट कर रहे हैं, मैं नहीं इंटरप्ट कर रही.
अच्छा, मैं on record on Times Now in Navika ji's show, which is one of the biggest shows in the country, I am going to make 4 things very clear. Number 1, 4th May, when Bengal's verdict will come out, Trinamool will form the government with 2/3 majority, and BJP and Times Now can archive this. Number 2, Mamata Banerjee will take oath as the 4th consecutive chief minister of West Bengal. Number 3,
Mamata Banerjee will rule Bhawanipur like she lost Nandigram. And you listen,
Number 4,
this time the real khela will be done by the BJP workers.
Then you baat.
Suno.
Let me finish first.
No,
Number
you do
4,
bhau. You do bhau. That is what your real thing is. That is what your leader ambition by the leaders.
And finally, Navika ji, I will just
What does he mean by this,
end my time on Times Now debate for tonight with a slok from the Bhagavad Gita, if you allow me, Navika ji.
बोलूं दादा.
Navika ji, can I finish my point?
Okay, all right.
Thank you.
प्रदीप भंडारी
So I'm just-
भगवत गीता का
Before
श्लोक
it
बोल
comes-
रहे हैं, इस पे तो आपको ऑब्जेक्शन नहीं होनी चाहिए, बोलने
Thank you.
दीजिए.
So in Bhagavad Gita, there is a lovely communication between Sri Krishna and Arjun, where Arjun said that sab khilaf hai Madhav. And you know what what Sri Krishna said to Arjun? Sab harenge path. That's all I want to say.
Well, I don't know whichever side wins, because this is just an election. Can we just get our tempers down? But whichever side wins, Pradeep Bhandari, this goes to you, and Riju Datta ji, it goes to you. Rasgulla amra khabo. ठीक है,
हम भेज देंगे.
Let's just on Rasgulla, let's just build peace in this country. We are dealing with war outside, but let's bring peace back into our own country. It's just an election. Calm down, thoda thanda pani piyo, and may the best team win in the elections of Bengal. Till then, bhaichara rakho baba. Let's leave it at that. Thank you very much to all my panelists, and thank you viewers for joining me on the News Hour tonight. Good night, be safe. I'll be back tomorrow.